Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on mastering dimension in AutoCAD. In this video, we will explore everything you need to know about adding and managing dimensions. Whether you are beginner or looking for refine your skills, in this tutorial is for you. All we are covering all the dimensions like linear, angular, radial, circular, radius, and diameter measuring. All types of measuring we are covered in this drawing. First, you enter dimension, dim, enter dimension, enter. When we enter dimension, we just check the dimension of this line. Showing is almost 171. Okay, here dimension is 171. Another dimension is this one, but we need to setting up our drawing. We need setting, how to set a dimension in for advanced level, for beginner, for advanced. First we enter dim, dimension, enter dimension, dim, d enter for dim style, and then setting up your drawing. Let's start by creating new drawing. Here is new dimension. Make sure your workspace is configured for dimensioning. Adding linear dimensioning, here is choose a standard, and then here is go for the modify. Select the dimension tools and choose your points according to you. You can adjust the properties for better clarities. Here is a line of here is mentioning extra line. Yes, yeah, here is a line of extra lines color. Also you are able to change of the drawing dimensions. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial is designed for you. Here is we are checking the arrow of the symbol and height of the arrow, almost 5 inches. We are working in inches because my unit is set in inches. That's why we choose arrow size is 6 inches. And then text color is also just blue, and then text height is maybe it's 5 to 6 to 7 inches almost. We are just putting, and then it is showing all the dimension in a horizontal, not aligned with the dimension. Then you just choose option here, text alignment option, text aligned with the dimension line. There is option of when you select this in text, and then here is comment fit, all is okay. And primary units, you just choose engineering in a form, because your dimension is in feet and inches. That's why we choose engineering. And precision only 0.0. If you need 2 digit, 0.00. If you need 3 digit, 0.000. But you mainly need 0.00 2 digit, and then save, and then set current, and then close. Again we come to the dimension. Here is the symbol of dimension on your workspace, and shortcut dim for dimension. Okay, and just mentioning all the dimension. A step-by-step guide on how to add linear dimension to your drawing demonstration by using the dimension tools and adjusting its properties. First we are using on linear, how to create linear dimensions. Here is a way up. If you want to add feet, meter, centimeter, some people wants to be add, his unit is in feet, inches, meter, centimeter, and then you select and then edit type. It's a very edit existing. If you want to edit existing dimensions, including changing his suffix name. His again you come to the enter dimension, modify, and then come to the primary unit. Here is a suffix. If you want to suffix write ft matlab feet means feet, meter for m for meter, cm for centimeter. I'm selecting ft and then set current and then close. It's just you see all the dimensions suffix will be changes. All the dimension is in feet. You just see this. And if you want to change the arrow, because professional drawing not using arrow, he is using architectural tick. For the professional looking, just go and check symbol and arrows. He is checking the architectural tick. Okay, and set current, close. Just see all the dimensions. You check. Again we have to, because in a professional way we are using architectural tick for looking better. If you want to select one and then again and again single, it's very time taking. Mentioning here is one, you need to take a second and third. I want to do in a simple way, easy way, directly all the dimensions I'm just clear in a single way. There is a trick, QDIM. There is a caption, QDIM, a shortcut form of the tools command QDIM, and just select which dimension what you need of the area of the line. Select and drag up and down, left, right, anywhere you want to draw. It gives you the size total. Here is just in one line, in one row, all the dimensions. Here is due to the text size is big, that's why here is not fit clearly. If you want, here is a window size and wall size, all the dimensions in a single line. You just see, not able to mention, and common mistakes to be avoid when dimensioning in this. And again, please delete all the dimensions. Whatever you are adding, first we delete, and then again you use how to use command, shortcut command QDIM. Then I'm repeating. There is a big and very most useful command, and then select and press enter, and then select the place where you want to be, choose the dimensions. It's not a big deal to how to add linear dimensions. When you're drawing demonstrative of using the dimension tools and adjusting according to your properties, you just select and press enter, and then drag down, up, right, down side, up side, left side, again right side. So then you want to just select and then drag, and according to you just fix the size of the we are showing all the dimensions you want to the dimensions to draw in workspace. It's configured, angle, lines and arcs, whatever. Here is showing all the dimension in a single line, not required anything on. And here is a quick dimension. If you want to see if you are working on a AutoCAD screen and what's the size of the room, if you forget, just select quick dimension. Here is mentioning, and then you see what is the size of the hall, room, kitchen, window, all the wall dimension also showing. Just see 9 inches wall and whatever is length. In quick means directly you just see in a single type and just select and see the size of the room. If you want to increase the room that size, if you want to, again we come to the side of the angular dimension. DIMLUY, DIMLUY. It is a shortcut command for the in AutoCAD for angular dimension. When one in an angle, in any one line in angle, that's why we are using angular dimension. Just select first point, second point, and then drag whatever where you need. 13.95, just enter and select. See, again here is a second option, press DIMLEY. Otherwise you want to use command on a regular basis. Last command he is repeating, just enter spacebar. Here is showing the effect if off on, then you drag the mouse anywhere. Otherwise if your effect is on, that time is not perfectly angular dimension, is just your mouse not going, your mouse cursor is just moving a 90-degree angles. Here is some options: linear, aligned, angled, arc length, radial. So various types of whatever you need, which type of dimensions what you want. There is many options showing. There is a circle dimension, just make a C, enter a circle. Okay, I make a circle. I just want to check the radius of the circle. Again just come, and here is a radius, just enter of the circle and just stay. Not measuring the what is the length and width, nothing required, only just select. Again here is a diameter of the circle, just select one. Here is an option diameter and enter. You see the diameter of the circle and radius of the circle. Again you want the arc length, what is the arc length of the anything, just enter arc length and enter, drag it, and showing arc length. Again we come to the sometimes wall is inclined wall means some angles showing 30-degree, 45-degree, 60-degree, anything angles make design make a design here. Degree. We are already submitted fit in a suffix, that's why all the time FT is showing. Again we want to change, just go enter dimension style and then modify, and then whatever you changed. There is a linear, obviously linear is very easy, but angular and arc length and this one is not, no any one dimension is difficult. If you want to look a professional, all the dimensions clearly shows in your drawing. That's why you are able to see the drawing is a totally professionalist. That's why here is I'm showing all the dimension, how to create, how to check, how to editing and modifying dimension. Again just go modify, and here is a choose the color. I'm just again means one time you are using, and again change all the dimension styles, all the set changes continuously. You just again go in the settings and change extra lines color, text color, arrow color, and then again set kind and then close. Just see all the dimensions color will be changed, because we change and overlap and position them for clarity. Again here is a quick dimension tool. Directly you want to check, here you just enter and see the dimension radius showing 2-degree, 2.2 feet is showing, diameter also showing, all the things represent in quick dimension, radius, diameter, area, angle, all things show in single click, known as quick dimension. It's only for your check, we check whether it is good or not. That's why we are using angle check. There is just showing angle 90-degree. There is again change and coding, just showing 90-degree. Again if you go the angular, it is showing the angle, but presently not showing. Wherever showing the dimensions are overlapping, very position. Then for clarity we change the D enter for dim styles. Here is events your dimensions are clear, not cluttered. Common mistakes to avoid include overlapping and unclear text. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. It's very useful for me, because it's give me a attribution, that's I'm making new videos on these topics daily.